Hello everyone. I am sick with a cold today, so that's why I'm in my cupcake onesie from Primark. Such a cool onesie. Oh my goodness. They have like a unicorn one and another one, I forget what it was. But anyway, nice and comfy today. I had to call out sick from work, unfortunately. But I'm filming even though I'm sick because I got this in about a week ago, I think, and I've been really looking forward to opening it, and I just don't want to wait anymore. So here we go. I'm going to film even though I'm sick. This is ReMent, which is a Japanese brand of dollhouse miniatures. And this one is all Sanrio characters. And there's 8 boxes in here. And it's called Birthday Cake. So, okay, so I showed you the top, and then this is the front here. I don't know if I gave you a great shot of the front, so let's do that again. And this side, the back, and this side. All right, so it says this label confirms a complete set. So if it looks like it's been unopened, I got it off eBay, and hopefully it has not been opened. We're gonna open it now. All right, I'm very excited. Can you see it? I think so. Okay, here we go. Ooh. All right, so here they all are. So cool. So there's not gonna really be a lot of surprises because we know that like all the characters are in here. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so because, all right, so what's cool about this set is it's called Birthday Cake, and all the characters come with a birthday cake. Let's see. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Well, you already saw it, but that's what they look like. I already have this set, actually. I made some cases with the figures from this set, and I liked it so much I wanted to order another one. The one that I ordered, it had 7 boxes, but it wasn't a complete set, so I got repeats, and then there were some characters that I didn't get at all. So this is hopefully the full set. I'll show you the inner box. I don't know if the barcode interests you, but whatever. All right. So because I'm sick, I don't think I'm gonna go into like a whole thing with like showing every, ooh, these ones have gum or candy in them. I think it's gum, I'm not positive. But that means that like they're really from overseas. So, what was I saying? That I'm not gonna, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna like take all the pieces out and like set them up for you or anything like that because I'm just way too sick for that. So this one is Tuxedo Sam. I'm gonna get my scissors. I'm just gonna show you the little characters because they're so cute. Tuxedo Sam. He is so cute. Little penguin with a bow tie. Oh my goodness. Alright, so that's one. This one is Pom Pom Purin. It's actually like a really cool set. Like, the figures stick in, each figure has like a different cake, and they have, there's like holes, and you can stick them in there, and it's just really cool. You can put the numbers, like the birthday year numbers and stuff. But I literally just bought it for the figures. So here's Purin. Oh my goodness. I love how they're all holding hearts too. Yeah, he's holding a heart. And look at Prince's little bum. Oh my goodness. So cute. Oh. Popcorn Purin, in case you didn't know, is a golden retriever. Oh my gosh. Alright, next up is my faves, Little Twin Stars. Oh my goodness. Maybe if I'm feeling better after this video, I could do like an addendum or whatever and show the cakes because they're so cute. Alright, LTS. This was the biggest reason why I got this set. Because I want to make a case for myself. And I want the case to have all like the most popular characters that from my shop, you know, that I sell in my shop. And Little Twin Stars is one of them. But if I put like all the characters on one case, it's going to take up too much room if I use the bigger figures that I have. So since these are miniatures, I got these. Oh my goodness, Kiki and Lala. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. And these are all genuine Sanrio figures. Show you the back. You can see the Sanrio raised lettering. I hope you can see it anyway. Alright, so those are my faves, Little Twin Stars. Oh, they're so cute. Okay. Cinnamon roll. I love the little happy birthday rainbow that comes with this one. Oh, I love me some cinnamon roll. He's probably my second favorite. Oh my god, look how cute. Cinnamon roll is also a dog. Cinnamon roll, the Wonder Pup. His name is actually Cinnamon. But he's called Cinnamon Roll because his tail is curly cued and looks like a cinnamon bun. And his ears are so big he can fly with them. So, you didn't think you'd be getting Sanrio trivia today, did ya? Alright. Ah, my melody! Oh! I lost one of the pieces of gum. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Aw, look how cute she is. My Melody is a bunny, and her cape, hood, whatever, comes in all different colors. That's the trivia for her. I wonder if I have trivia on all of them. I don't know if I do. I'm good at opening boxes. Okay. Oh, there goes the candy. This one. Okay, cool. Bats Maru. So that's one of the ones that I didn't get in the last set because it wasn't a complete set. Oh, it looks like something's wrong with his eye. What happened to you, Bats Maru? Aww. So cute. Does Bats Maru always look like that? Bad Bats Maru. Okay. Two more. Hello Kitty. So cute. Alright. Last one. Karupi! God, that went by fast. Alright. Oh my goodness. Look how cute Karupi is. Aww. Alright, so we'll have one last look at all the characters in case I didn't show them very well to the camera. I'm not wearing my glasses or contacts, so I can't see very well. So, the viewfinder is so tiny I can't see like how well if things are in focus or whatever. All right. Aww, so cute. Oh, this one's gonna be hard. What if I show them both and then cover my face that way? Oh my goodness. Oh, they're so cute. Aw, where you going, Sunny? I miss you already. I love how these are like really good quality. Even though they're dollhouse miniatures, they're really good quality. Karopi's sitting on a little lily pad. Aww. Can you see it? Oh my goodness. So cute. Well, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me even though I'm ill and I probably don't look very good. But hey, I have the wicked cute cupcake onesie on. Oh my goodness. I don't know if Primark still carries these, but if they do, go out and get yourself one. They're really warm. They're very comfortable. Perfect for lying around when you're not feeling well. Anyway, so thank you for watching and take care.